e.l.f has been showing a lot of weakness within a longer term neutral trend, down 33%. This is Thursday, the 6th of November, 2025. Intraday low, $77.3. The stock is equally trending as well as market participants debate whether this pullback, and indeed the recent pullback has had, marks a temporary setback or the start of a deeper correction. The company's latest sales forecast fell short of expectations, triggering a Piper Sandler downgrade to neutral and sparking concerns over slowing growth and margin pressures. Despite all of this weakness, many in the retail and beauty sectors remain optimistic about the company's long-term potential, pointing to its strong brand momentum, loyal Gen Z customer base, and consistent market share gains in both online and brick-and-mortar channels. The investing and trading community discussions are divided. Some traders see this dip as a prime buying opportunity, citing the company's track record of bouncing back after similar drops and its continued dominance in the affordable cosmetics segment. Others remain cautious, focusing on near-term headwinds as tariff risks, inflationary pressures, and the broader slowdown in discretionary consumer spending. Swing traders are eyeing potential short-term rebound setups, while long-term investors are evaluating whether the company's fundamentals and brand strength can sustain its premium valuation in a more volatile retail environment. Okay, so that's what we're dealing with. That's the sentiment so far. Okay, so underlying trend is neutral, if not even slightly bearish. Okay, the extrapolation is saying that lower prices may continue to print. Okay, and next, the interaction of its this 10-day moving average extrapolation and the 40-day moving average extrapolation is not is rather lending more emphasis that no bounce is in sight at all. Based on this extrapolation, no bounce is in sight. But never say never, never say never at all. If anything, if it does happen, of course it can happen. Regardless of what these extrapolations are saying, uh, 105.62 is a critical pivot. Yeah, if it does retest, if it does test 105.62 or blows through it, or if it surpasses it or tests it, there's a good chance it may test 118.47. Yeah, there's a good chance that might happen. Yeah, 118.17, or even here as well. That will be the next target. 112.19. That will be the next target, and it did also 118.47. But you can bank on that as well. Positions opened all the way back to 200 days ago are now severely bearish. Let's see how the market is trading. But before that, let's have a look at its 4-hour chart to see what's going on. Here as well, the same thing as well. The interaction of the extrapolation of its um, 3-day moving average and the 40 period moving average. Okay, 3 period moving average and the 40 period moving average. The interaction is saying that the chance of an upside is not there. However, also we have this pivotal projection here. It's 102.55. If it does test that, then there's a good chance 106.93 can print, going all the way towards. It improves the chance of going all the way towards 119.81. Yeah, and the probability of 119.81 printing is good, very good, around 30% or thereabouts. Just the fact that the difference between the two prices is just fractional. So that probability is there, but it doesn't mean it's going to print. It doesn't mean it's going to print at all. So momentum on this 4-hour chart is saying that um, the forecast of its momentum is saying that weakness is going to the momentum will continue to decay, but may pick up by the pre-market session of Monday the 10th. Okay, yeah, that's what's going on. Let's see how they are trading the stock right now. It's looking active as well. Let's see. Let's get the volume so far. Yeah, okay. Over close at least 7 times its average volume have crossed the tape so far. Not It's not exactly the most beta stock, but it is relatively high beta stock. Um, they are selling aggressively selling. Let me see, are they even buying anything at all? They are aggressively selling the stock. They are not buying. I can't even see anything. Anybody buying? They are just selling and selling and selling. They are selling, and what? Where are the buyers here? Where are the buyers? Where are they? Look at that. This is the column for sellers. We can't even see buyers anywhere. Yeah, they've been just been priced out. They see no need to come in here. Fascinating stuff. There's something they have that has is keeping the buyers away. Something is really keeping them away. Yeah. Okay, just have a look and see what you make of ELF. And thank you very much for watching this video.